In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get and use schemas here in Marathon. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, schemas essentially let you bypass faction locks and purchase specific weapons that you normally wouldn't have access to. And you can find these during runs by looting containers like tool carts, arms lockers, and loot rooms. They actually appear a lot more often in high tier areas, so prioritize searching better zones while you're exploring the map, and as soon as you do find a schema, you just have to successfully extract. If you do die before extracting, the schema is going to be lost permanently, and you definitely don't want that. But what you can also do is earn additional schemas through the rewards pass by spending silk, which of course you earn from leveling up and completing contracts, just like every other battle pass. And these can sometimes be redeemed instantly, giving you access to new armory unlocks. Once a schema is in your inventory, go to the armory, open up the schemas tab on the right hand side, and then from there you'll be able to purchase up to 3 copies of that weapon or item. Each purchase costs the full credit price, and once those purchases are used, the schema is going to disappear permanently, so just keep that in mind. So I will say it is going to be best to prioritize blue rarity or higher schemas for more powerful meta weapons. Skip those common items just to save inventory space and focus on gear that actually upgrades your loadout. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.